So for my paper, I wrote about cloud computing, which is, I guess, a new type of technology that's just come out. In my paper, I wrote throughout recent years, the innovation in technology has led to the invention of cloud computing. This new technology has the ability to store information over the internet instead of using your computer's hard drive, which is what we're mostly used to, or using the flash drives, which I think everyone has, which are, like I said, a common thing. In recent times, cloud computing has become increasingly popular because of the portability it has to offer, which in most recent times is what people must look forward to when it comes to new technology. Aside from offering portability, cloud computing also has the benefit of allowing the customer to go green as well as providing a flexibility. Even though cloud computing has increased in popularity, there are some legal and ethical issues regarding its use, mainly concerning privacy. One of the most prominent legal concerns involving cloud computing is the fact that when using it, a lot of your information is out in the open, which includes many financial records and can even go out to health records. In a newsletter written on intellectual freedom, somebody stated that there may be a violation of the Privacy Act of 1974, especially if it doesn't have provisions for protecting the data of its contract with the cloud provider. While looking at cloud computing, there are also some security concerns that arises. One of the main ones being that the portability of losing all information stored in the cloud, which may happen if, let's say, the internet goes down. So you do run that risk. While researching, I also saw that there are many social problems that have to do with cloud computing, especially because of the fact that you are providing your personal data and it is on the internet, which brings up, the security of cloud computing. It's always the fact that you may be vulnerable to hacking. You may have somebody attack you and steal all your information, or even the fact that you may yourself go into a website which looks pretty normal and it looks like it's professional, but it may not be. Just some background information on what cloud computing is. According to Stephanie Slahor, cloud computing gives the user access to their personal data anytime, which is very beneficial to people with multiple workstations who need their information on demand. In her article, she goes to explain that the way cloud computing works is that you buy apps for the different types of functions that you may need. These include email, spreadsheets, video conferencing, just to name a few. There are many more out there. And you buy these from popular vendors like Google, Microsoft, Verizon, IBM, or I guess what we mostly use, or it is mostly known, is the App Store from Apple. This type of computing has become increasingly popular with college students because they have the ability to have all this information in plain reach without the need of a hard drive or a flash drive. So, like I said, just some potential benefits is that your information is all out. You can access it from anywhere, and also just to mention, it does allow for green computing, which doesn't allow any types of bad things to happen to the environment, just to put it out there. So this is what my paper was on.